Changing your profile picture on YouTube is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to update your image easily. Step 1. Sign into YouTube. Open the YouTube website or app and log into your account using your credentials. Step 2. Go to your channel. Click on your profile icon in the top right corner, then select your channel from the drop-down menu to access your channel page. Step 3. Edit channel. On your channel page, look for the Customize Channel button. Click on it to enter the channel customization settings. Step 4. Change profile picture. In the customization settings, find the option to change your profile picture. Click on the current image or the camera icon next to it to upload a new picture from your device. Step 5. Save changes. After selecting your new profile picture, make sure to save your changes. Look for a Save button, usually located at the top right corner of the customization page. Once you've completed these steps, your new profile picture will be updated on YouTube. Enjoy your refreshed look.